Hi there, welcome to Ilman Nafian, and another Islamic quiz episode. Let's get started. When was fasting made obligatory? In the second year of Hijrah. Umrah during Ramadan is equal to. Performing Hajj with the Prophet peace be upon him. What effect does brushing teeth with toothpaste has on your fast? This has no effect on your fast. Verbally making the intention for fasting in Ramadan is. This is an innovation. Can a wife give zakat to her poor or needy husband? Yes, this is permissible. Whoever prays in Ramadan out of faith and in the hope of reward will be. His or her previous sins will be forgiven. The people will continue to do well, so long as they do what act to break the fast. Hasten to break the fast. Swallowing saliva does what to your fast? This has no impact on one's fast. Nourishment injection does what to one's fast? This breaks the fast. How many Ramadans did the Prophet, peace be upon him, fasted? He fasted 9 Ramadans, peace and blessings be upon him. Which battle occurred during Ramadan? The Battle of Badr. Thank you for watching. We hope you benefited from this video. Support our channel and subscribe, leave a like and comment.